Every business wants more awareness, more leads, and more sales. Well, today's your lucky day. In today's video, I'm sharing how a promotional video can help you get all of these. Hi, I'm Rashpal and welcome to the BOXmedia channel, which is all about helping businesses leverage video, share business tips, and personal development. So if you like those kind of things, please click the like button as it pushes it out to even more people. And thanks in advance. Now, when it comes to promoting your business, you want to use every tool at your disposal. How valuable would it be if you had someone selling for you 24/7, a silent salesman? Your answer is a promotional video. A well-made video can help you reach your new audience and generate more leads. Here, I want to share with you how to make a compelling promotional video for your business. And I'll cover everything from storyboarding to shooting, right through to editing. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it takes to produce an effective promotional video. But first, what is a promotional video? A promotional video can be anything from a short commercial to an in-depth product review. The goal is to really inform your viewers, your prospects about what you have available and how they might benefit by using it or purchasing it. A well-made promotional video will help you reach new audiences and generate more leads. The first step in producing a promotional video is storyboarding. This involves writing the script and sketching out the ideas of the video and planning out how each scene will play out. It's important to think about what you want to say and how you want to say it. Once you have a good idea of what you want, you can start planning the shots you need. Once you have your storyboard planned out and compiled a shot list, it's time to shoot your video. This can be done with a small team or even by yourself if you know what you're doing. Be sure to capture all the shots you need and stay on schedule. The next step is editing the footage, or as we call them, rushes. This can be done with a variety of software programs such as Adobe Premiere or Final Cut Pro, or what we use at BOXmedia is DaVinci Resolve. It's important to make sure your video looks polished and professional. Don't forget to film plenty of B-roll to help tell your story, as video at its best is all about storytelling. Now you've produced your video, now you want to promote it. This can be done through social media channels like LinkedIn, TikTok, Facebook and Instagram, depending on who and where your audience is. You could also upload it to YouTube for free exposure on the world's largest search engine. It might even go viral if you do a good job at marketing it online. This doesn't happen too often though, but there's always hope. YouTube is in a league of its own. You can build a community and with the right strategies and tactics, build multiple revenue streams. I'll make another video about this, so if you're interested in this, please comment YouTube in the comments below. By the way, if you're getting value from this video, please give me a like. And if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments below and I'll try to make more videos around them. Back to where we were. There are a few key things that every promotional video should include. Your company's logo and branding, a call to action, for example, visit our website or call us today, an overview of what your company does, how the viewer can benefit from using your product or service, maybe a tour of your facilities, testimonials from happy customers who have used your product or services in the past. Social proof is so valuable. And finally, an irresistible offer for viewers to take advantage of that right away. This could be a coupon code, free shipping, or on orders over £100, or anything like that that is more enticing. Budgets. Promotional videos range in price from as little as £500 to well over £15,000. There's so many variables, but this really depends on the idea, the concept, the time needed for shooting and editing, and the animation which might need to go into that into your production. All of this will help pinpoint how many people and man hours are needed to make your film, and ultimately you get what you pay for. Be realistic and open with your budgets when talking to any kind of video agency or production company. The benefits of a promotional video are increased exposure and awareness of your company and its products or services, more leads through online channels such as social media and YouTube, greater brand awareness among potential customers, A better and deeper understanding of what your company does and what it can do for your prospects. Increase sales due to new customers who have been persuaded to inquire and purchase by the use of a promotional video. There's no set length for a promotional video. However, most videos tend to be around 2 minutes long. This gives you enough time to introduce your company and its products and services, but doesn't drag on for too long. If you have a lot of information to share, you could always break that up into a number or series of videos. There are a number of companies that offer promotional video production services. You can search them online, just Google it, local video production company or video production company Leeds, local video production company London, wherever you are in the world. Just do a quick Google search. When you start talking to a production company, be sure to ask for references and view samples of the work before making your decision on the one you want to hire. You'll want to find a promotional video agency or production company that is experienced, professional, and has good reviews from past clients. It's important that they have access to all of the equipment needed to produce a high quality video, so the company should be able to work with you and create the video that meets your specific needs and budget. So there you have it, 4 steps for producing an effective promotional video. By following these guidelines, you'll find the right production company to help you produce a video that will help you increase sales and leads for your business. So just to summarize, a promotional video production is the process of creating an engaging and informative video for your business, which can be anything from a short commercial to a long, in-depth demonstration. With the hundreds of businesses that we have worked with and the thousands of videos that we've produced, video has been a key ingredient to help them accelerate and amplify their sales and achieve their goals. I've got a question for you. Have you produced a promotional video for your business? Please comment promotional below if yes, or I need to if that's a no. If you're still unsure about how video can help you, please tell me in the comments and I'll make more videos around this. If you're unsure where to start, I've put together a free 8-part video strategy framework for you. It will appear as a suggested video at the end of this one. So till then, stay safe and I wish you continued business success. And lastly, please like and subscribe to the channel.